I'm waiting for you, but you never arrived. Now I'm here left in the wet, in the muck, with nothing but the fading tenderness and affection that I feel. A man with a cigarette eyes me suspiciously, while a woman walks past me fairly quickly. Standing in the rain, how many men have been here before? How many movies played this particular scene? How many times have I played the lonely man waiting for you to arrive? And yet, here I am, the water seeping into my shoes and soaking my socks. My toes sloshing around in the wet mush. I'm glad that it's raining. Mr. Suspicious might get upset if he saw tears streaming from my eyes instead of rainwater. How is he keeping that cigarette dry? Smokers are such mysterious, pungent creatures. Another bus from another city arrives at the station, followed by another, and then another. What would keep me standing here with my feet firmly planted? They have never been so surely attached to the ground anywhere else. Do they know something that I don't? How are they so certain she will arrive when the rest of me lost hope a long time ago? Time? How long has it been? Half an hour? 1 hour? Who knows? Who even cares? Cold and wet, shivering slightly, and holding the wet paper with bus numbers and arrival times. Maybe I missed something. Maybe I misread the date or the time. No, it can't be. Her bus arrived and she wasn't on it. No phone call, no warning. No, nothing. If she wanted to be here, then she should have been here. So why am I here? My feet are plastered and will not give way. My legs aren't on the conspiracy. Just a little longer. Something must have gone wrong. Certainly I made a mistake. I made a mistake.